we actually then started looking for something that can integrate with the NetSuite system, which we have found. Smart Shop Floor has really been very flexible in being able to do that.
Yes, one of the best parts of this integration is that we don't need to do anything. We only receive the orders, and once we add all of this in NetSuite, it automatically comes to a Smart Shop Floor. I will see exactly the same thing in both of the systems. Details and information for every job. This is updating in real time. Everything that is happening in the floor, it will come to NetSuite. It's all integrated. The finance part, the production part, inventory, all of them, they are all integrated. We can do any type of reports now. We can have real-time information in there. For all this integration process, the non-standard thing was an issue because we needed to identify what's the process that they all follow to get to a final good, a final product. So in that moment was really hard for us to understand, okay, how are we gonna add a process for something that is special? We don't do this every day. So now when we have to create a new job in NetSuite for the first time, we will just select something that we call templates, a flow process of every single standard product, and we adapt that for the non-standard things. After that, this template comes to a Smart Shop Floor. It will go to the department that it needs to go. It will follow the specific process that it needs. We got to a point that we now can manage that because we can just, we used to do a Stocktake in one day. And it was like the whole day for all of us, but on that day, the other managers and I were working up to 8 p.m. probably because we were trying to update all the quantities, all the work in progress was, as I said, the biggest issue, and calculating all of that was very difficult. Now with the Smart Shop Floor, I think that at least for me, Stocktake is not happening in one day and that we close the factory and everything. No, we do Stocktake in small pieces every day. The biggest thing for me that I can find now in a Smart Shop Floor is that I don't need to spend more time going to the floor and see where the jobs are. Now I can just go and check where are the jobs that are in the factory and where are the jobs that are, I can know easily in real time if they are in heavy line, if they are in fabrication, if they are in packing. I know all of that because work in progress is, I think, the most difficult thing to calculate in terms of numbers and quantities when you're doing a Stocktake. But now it doesn't take me that long as before. Now it's just like an hour thing on my day. Well, it's been, to me, life-changing in that point of view.